strap. If you want, you can hold your big toe. Beginner, intermediate, hold your foot. Advanced, hold your ankle. Up to you. How much you can do. Up. Inhale and exhale. Straight your leg. Try it. So here your leg should be straight, knee down, and try to take your hand behind, shoulder behind. 5, 4. Anytime if you feel pain, if you feel hurt, you can come back. You can relax and you can start again. 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now the same opposite side. Bend your left knee, left leg, your left hand. You can put it slowly here. So here the thing, you have to take your leg on your shoulder. If you do from here, it will be go there. But if you put more on your shoulder, so it will be more in alignment. Okay. Try. Good. जितना होता है उतना कीजिए, ज़्यादा कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. If you cannot do, you can relax also. 5, 4. Your palm, left side. This one, yes. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back. Inhale and exhale. Leg down. Inhale and exhale. If you want to relax your leg, you can relax here, you can relax here. Also you can massage a bit under your leg. Okay. So now after this, open your both legs onto the side. Your feet should be touched to the floor. So the first, hands from inhale, exhale. Simple hold here. Open legs, go a little bit. 5, 4, you can drop your elbow also. 3, ज़्यादा नहीं push करना है एक दिन के अंदर. 2, and one by one your both hands under your leg here. After this, here. Look front, inhale, slowly. Try to spread your front. Exhale के साथ, धीरे. जितना होगा उतना कीजिए. What you have to do? You have to touch your chest to the floor and your chin, then look front. सामने देखिए. 5. Feel the stretch. If you feel pain, you can come back. If you want to hold, you can stay here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. One by one. Both hands out. Right and left. Come. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Now we are on your knee and little bit relax. So I told you again, do not push too much. Do according to your body, according to your limit. Don't cross it. Okay, nice. So here everyone, you can lie down with your back. So just give it a little bit relax. Straight your both legs at least 20 seconds. Hands to the side. Your eyes should be closed. Give relax.